Okay, let's see how Easy MoMo works. You launch the application. Okay, so I can manually type a number here to send money to them. But the more preferred way is if you have the contact, you select. So I can literally search for any contact and select. Type the amount 2,200, for example. You can include charges if you want the person to include withdrawal charges so that they are able to withdraw. It calculates it for you. Okay, then you hit send. When you send, you have to confirm your pin code. Okay, that's all. Okay, on the second tab, I can actually add my favorite contacts. Let me just say, for example, JR651 22 35, this, and save, so that the next time if I wish to send money to them, in a click I'll be able to send them 200, for example. Okay, the same way, I'm sure the number does not exist. So, oh, it exists. On the third tab, somebody can scan this code and send you money as well. So I'll demonstrate the scanning. So I have this is the camera app, scan. Okay, that's all. Get Njambe's information. We can just type 200 and send to Njambe. Okay, I think that's this. Then on the last tab, you can edit your information, or you can share the app link to others. Yeah, that's it. That's that.